I've been to Orhei and Vechi Orhei. Очень интересными местами, я считаю, во-первых, сам Chișinău.
Eu am vizitat Orheiul Vechi și mănăstirea Curc.
Молдова ваша удивительна. Мы бывали и в Сороках.
Старый Орхей, Пуркари, Водолой Вода. Посетил Старый Орхей, Курка и другие места.
We have been to several places, Sorako, Krikova and Mlečni Miti.
Один из самых красивых мест это Орхей, Старый Орхей.
I like all the villages where it's so remote and quiet, and I like Chișinău. It's quiet, it's green.
One of my favorite places here is Orhei Vechi and also Tipova.
Your wineries are amazing. Your parks are the most beautiful parks I have ever seen with all your flowers.
I love the city. It's such a beautiful city and I'm very much enjoying living here.
Старый Орхей очень красивый.
Is the Chateau Varteli wine estate.
Countryside around the town of Nisperen. I think that's very beautiful.
I've seen some churches, like some monument churches in Moldova, which is in Chișinău, which is like very beautiful. I mean, it's historical.
Cele mai frumoase locuri din Moldova sunt Orheiul Vechi, Codru, Cricova.
I like Orhei Vechi a lot, Stefanești.
I like the castle in Soroka. That's really pretty.
The most beautiful places in Moldova would be Orheiul Vechi and Chișinău, Drențariu Park. It's my favorite place here in Chișinău.
Chișinău, the most beautiful place.
I really love Orhei Vechi.
A private dacha out by the Dniester River.
I love Old Orhei. It's so beautiful. The monastery and the underground monastery, that's one of my favorite places in Moldova.
Chișinău is so pretty, especially in the summer.
One of my favorite ones is Orhei. The monastery, the cliff, and the view with the river, gorgeous.
Orhei Vechi. I think that's one of my favorite places.
Chateau Varteli, Крикова.
В первую очередь мне нравится Кишинев. Мне нравится очень бульвар Штефан Шилмаре.
It was a small village which was with a wooden church.
I like Chișinău the best because I like to wander through the old town. I love the architecture.
I like the Florești area. I like Chișinău a lot. I like the city.
I live in Cahul, so I think that's the most beautiful place.
I think people are so nice. Мне очень понравились здесь люди, мне очень понравилось здесь работать.
Для меня было самое интересное то, что болгары и молдаване, два народа очень похожи, очень братские.
Самый важный опыт это гостеприимство.
Probably when someone took me to Fashion TV nightclub.
Just meeting Moldovan people.
So I think the people keep me interested all the time.
Общение с людьми. У нас очень добрые и хорошие люди.
The most interesting experience that I've had is meeting different Moldovans throughout Chișinău and throughout all the different cities.
We were here for the wine festival and that was really fun.
This year when we had the England football team play here in Moldova.
Traditional dance is called penguin dance. It's quite funny and I like it so much because of the way they dance.
Here I just loved being in the village and celebrating a birthday with people at a table.
I think just Friday nights out with friends for dinner, drinking, talking to Moldovans.
I think it was a wine festival. It's amazing. I really like the nightlife here.
I love winter. I love when it's summer.
Sărbătorile creștinești religioase, cum e Crăciunul și e Paștele.
Meeting Moldovan people and going into their homes and seeing how people live.
Lots of great things. Language has been a challenge.
The most interesting experience was to see your food, sarmali, because we have exactly the same, but we do it thinner.
I love finding out about the history, the anthropological history of the country.
Mostly just talking to the women in the piazza.
Кухня здесь великолепная. Очень мало мест, где действительно такие хорошие свежие продукты. Я в восторге от овощей.
Vinurile roșii și bucătăria mie personal îmi place foarte mult.
То есть ваша замечательная, неповторимая плацента, которую не встретишь где-либо в других республиках.
Кухня великолепная, в сочетании с прекрасным молдавским вином она вообще прекрасна. Молдавская кухня очень интересна, она мне известная, я ее люблю. Сармалele, кашкавал очень хороший.
More and more Chinese people knows about the wine in Moldova.
I also like your cuisine. It's fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, Sarmale is wonderful, Mamaliga.
I love the food here too. Sarmale is one of my favorite things.
Your wines are wonderful. They are some of the best in the world.
I'm a very big fan of Moldovan wines, actually.
The wines are very good, especially the house wine, and I love Sarmale.
The food is very, very nice. You know, I like it. It's a nice combination of creamy and salty.
The wines are really very nice. I mean, very tasty in terms of like the quality.
I think your food's very natural. I like the fact that it's very seasonal as well.
I like the, what do you call it? It's like not cognac, but Divin. I think that's very special.
Wine is fantastic. Everyone should drink the wine and have more of the wine. The champagne, the white wine, the red wine, it's all amazing.
The Mamaliga is amazing, all the placenta as well. And
I love Mamaliga.
I love the shashlik and Mamaliga.
And I'm really fond of Zama.
Wine is excellent.
The wines are very tasteful. I've never experienced anything quite like Moldovan wine, like the Pocari, Krikova, Merlot Red.
And the food also is very good.
Ни одно, ни французское, ни итальянское вино не сравнится с молдавским вином, потому что очень оно мягкое, очень приятное.
So I love Sarmale, Mamaliga, and Placenta, and we love the wine.
Placenta I like, but I love the wines, especially the reds.
Очень интересная страна, очень хорошие люди.
Beautiful country with beautiful people that has the best of all worlds.
Moldova is an eccentric little country.
It's a surprise, especially in the summer.
It's a very easy country to get around in because everyone's so helpful.
A peaceful country with hardworking people.
it is an untapped treasure in Europe.
It's very home-like. It's very comfortable.
Very, very friendly and much more beautiful than people think.
I would say it's a very, very beautiful country with wonderfully beautiful people.
It's just a small place, but really wonderful and quaint, and
it's a country to be discovered.
Surprising.
This is a beautiful country, beautiful people. The people are so friendly.